Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video we'll be teaching you guys how to delete your Spotify's playlist. If you guys are having trouble on deleting your Spotify's playlist, you guys are not alone. This issue is more common than you might think, but don't worry, today I am going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. So let's go ahead and start with the video. Open your Spotify's app and then go on your library and then click on the playlist you want to delete. The playlist you created, you should go on the playlist you created and then click on the three button icon and click on the delete playlist button and then click on delete, and there you go. This is how you can delete your Spotify's playlist. I hope this video helped you how you can delete your Spotify's playlist. If you did, let me know in this comment, give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. I hope you guys liked or enjoyed watching this video. If you did, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys